What's up, guys?
What's up, guys? Happy Thursday, man.
What's going on, guys? All right, welcome to the stream.
What's going on, guys? All right, welcome to the stream.
Happy yeah, happy Monday.
It's Monday, right?
Yes, sir. It's Monday, Rob. We're gonna get them. How was your weekend, guys? I'm a little early. I got in early to beat the crowd. Just joking. Give me a like, guys, if anyone's there. Okay, what we're gonna try to do is this is what we do every day, Monday to Thursday. Okay, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna try to scalp 30 points out of this market. 30 pips, 25, 30, 40, whatever we can get. And then we're going to go fishing. We're not going to give it back. And that's it. Gold is coming up to an area of interest here. That's a supply. Let me put an alarm there. Okay. Let's see what oil's doing. Oil's going up. My goodness, where's it going though? Let me get rid of all these marks. Let me clean it up. Okay, it's right in the middle now. It's not a good spot. Let me see if I can get any structure here. There's a nice gap here. I caught this coming down to fill the gap last night. See what it does when it gets there. Looks like it wants to go up. Let's check NAS. NAS is kind of stalled out here. I want it to come up here. Kind of in the middle too. It's not in a good spot. That's all right. We got to wait. We get paid to wait, guys, in case you didn't know. It's going down slightly. The session bias is neutral. A session bias indicator. Oil is pretty much dead level. It's like in a big channel now. See it? Let me make it a little bigger. This is a linear regression tool, guys, in case you want to put it on there. It's good to help you see which way the market's going. It actually just broke out of the channel. Okay, so we got a breakout here. We got a retest, but we kind of missed it. Breakout, retest, and it seems to be going up. That's a linear regression channel. This is session bias by Trade Sharp. Ooh, gold is showing down, but it's going up, and the session bias is neutral. Okay. And you can see the channel it's traveling in. Eh? It's actually a nice little tool. I like little tools like this, you know. You can use this actually to take trades or breakouts and stuff. Okay, it's coming to an area though. We're going to watch it up here when it gets to our supply area. Bring it over here. You can see it better. How you guys doing, man? It looks like we're going to be shooting for gold today. Unless something else pops up better. What's Tight Necks doing? It's kind of not doing nothing. I got a nice bag of Tight Necks, guys. Too much crap on the chart, man. Got to clean it up every now and then. Okay, see we have a fair value gap here. It's kind of rejecting off. Put this out of the way. What's US 30 doing? It's right in the middle. We need it to come to a major area, you know? And then we'll wait for the candles to tell us what to do and our indicators. Yeah, we're riding a 5-win streak. Ending the week last week. We won 5 in a row. So hopefully we can keep that going. And that's it, guys. I took a nice trade last night on oil. Someone told me to watch oil on Sunday nights. It always sells. That's what they said. But last night I seen when it opened, it left a huge gap. So I sold it down to fill the gap. A nice trade, man. Let's see what we got here. We got a fair value gap. Man, it looks like it got nice out. It was like rainy this morning over here in Central Florida. I'm in Florida in South Central. That's what we call it, man. How to survive in South Central. Power of love is a curious thing. Come on, goals, let's go. We gotta wait for oil to get up here, I guess, before we do anything. Or it may come down, I don't know. I think it's going up. But what I think doesn't mean much, right? Man, the way I trade, guys, is so simple. I mean, I don't always trade that way. I use ICT concepts. I just use this little indicator. I wait till we get to a major level. And, I wait for a candle formation that I like that shows me a direction, which way it wants to go. And then I wait for a signal from my indicator. That's the way I've been trading lately. I just started trying this out because I found this. This is the SMA 950 180 EMA 20 buy sell. Okay, that's what you could type that in if you want to get the indicator. I was just looking for an SMA, a 9, and I put this one on the chart. I noticed it was giving me signals, you know. So I started back testing the signals too. I checked they don't repaint. Once the candle closes, if the signal's there, it stays there. Okay, now if the signal appears and the candle is not closed, if the candle retraces, the signal will disappear. So you gotta wait for the candle to close, but it doesn't repaint. And if you go back and backtest these signals like I did, you can see where it puts you in these trades. So this put you in right here. You rode this all the way up. This actually just gave a sell signal, but I'm not looking for a sell here. My rule is I have to be near one of these either supply or demand area. But if you go back and backtest these signals, here's a sell signal. Now here when it's ranging, you're in the middle. You're in consolidation. I ignore those. Like up here, we're at an area. I don't see a sell signal. I actually gave a buy here, so that would have been a loser. I don't know if I would have took that, man. I wouldn't have took a buy there. I would only take a buy if it's breaking above our zone. You know what I mean? So you got to have your own rules with it, man. Gave you a buy here coming off. I mean, this is a nice buy, though. Look at that rejection. A rejection right off the demand area. And you could just ride the 9 SMA until it closes below. Like, that's a rule probably a lot of people would do. I wait for the next candle to open. Like right here, I wouldn't have got out. This candle would have opened and came back above. I would have stayed in. I probably would have been out here, though. Because this candle came all the way down. So I would have exited here. Probably once it broke the low of this candle. So you got to have your own rules. I'll be sharing my rules as we do the trades. But that's basically the rules, It's got to be near a supply or demand. And, that's it. Pretty simple, man. Very simple, but effective so far. What are you eating, Josh? The leftovers?
Yeah.
Well, we just got to wait for our setup here. These supply and demand zones, guys, that's another. Let me see. Who is that? Session bias. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, the fair value gaps is FVG by Nephew Sam. And fluid trades, SMC light, is the supply and demand zones. I used to, you could draw them yourself, guys. I mean, but this thing is pretty accurate, man. And it's just handy, man. It's just handy to have it. So that's the indicators that I have on the chart. Okay, guys. So that's fluid trades, SMC light. Okay, that's a paid indicator, guys. I am not an affiliate. I am not using the paid. I'm only using the SMC light. I don't know what the paid one does, to tell you the truth. But this is enough for me. I just need these zones. And like I said, you could just draw them yourself. I mean, but it's free, so what the heck. And it's pretty good. You'll see it works out pretty good. So that's the indicators, guys. This session bias one by Trade Sharp. Now I watch him if I'm up in the middle of the night. He trades London. For me, that's like 3 in the morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. I got to get up. So I'm not up usually for that. But if I'm up, I'll watch it. He's a sharp kid, man. He's got a good channel, man. He knows what he's doing. But this indicator, I don't know. It's like, seems to be on neutral more than it's on anything else. But I'll leave it there for now. We'll check it out. We'll give it a chance. But he's a good kid, man. So shout out to you, man. Trade Sharp, shout out to you. Thanks for your help. And, what can I say, man? Appreciate everything. Grateful for everything, man. I don't know if you guys can see me or what. Doesn't look right? The screen looks stretched out or something. I'm still trying to figure out streaming, guys. I'm like a caveman, But trying my best here. I don't really care about it. I guess if I really cared about it, I'd have it figured out by now. All right, let's see what gold does. I know a guy that trades silver. It's basically all he trades. He trades oil too, but he makes a living, man, trading silver. To me, it's usually doing the same exact thing as gold. I don't see the point. Although it's breaking out now. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. Silver's up, will be up here like. Yeah, but you only need 1 or 2 pairs, man. I try to trade NASDAQ most of the time, but if there's not a setup, I'll check US 30, gold, and oil, Those are that's basically all I trade now. I have all these things on here in case somebody sends me a message. Hey, check out this, check out that. And I am in some signal groups, and I will be putting signals in our group. Guys, I'm in actually paid signals groups. And, I don't care. I don't mind sharing them. I don't know if the guys that are paying mind, but I usually call my own signals anyway, man. And you guys got H-bar, man? H-bar is down, too. Oh, it's coming up. Slowly coming up. When H-bar goes to $1, I'm out of here, guys. Nice knowing you. I gotta go buy an island somewhere. Yeah, maybe I'll stream from the island. Probably be boring living on an island. I'll get one of those Elon Musk satellite dishes. Starlink. I think it's Starlink, right? Where can I see the chat? That's private chat. I just want to see the regular chat. All right. Another next thing I got to figure out. Whole room there with a nice office setup, but I prefer to sit on the couch. It got nice out, man. See what's going on with my emails while we wait. You see, we got a fair value gap here. It's like rejecting off that fair value gap. It may reverse here if it can't get through that gap. Watch it on the 1 minute. I think we're gonna get a trade soon here, guys. Hey guys, I'm not entering any trades. I'm just taking out a long position here, putting it on the sideline. You are with me. I'm free. I'm careless. I believe. Okay, I want it to come down here. I want it to push through this gap and come down here. See if it does it. It's actually giving us a buy signal now, but it's up a little high. If the next candle can pull back, it might be an entry. Oh, the signal went away, so see it disappeared because the candle wasn't closed. The candle pulled back and it closed. See what it does, guys. I'm tempted to buy it, but what do you guys think, man? I'm not convinced yet. I want to wait. I want to see if it'll come down here. Guys, give me a like if anyone's there. Share the video. Ah, here it comes, man. Let me get ready in case I enter a trade. I'm still using Henko trade, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna switch. Although I'm getting used to this trade thing they got. I got it figured out a way. I got it on my phone. So it's really not too bad, but I'm gonna switch anyway. I'm so used to MT4 and MT5. Look at that, it blew right through there, man. Coming right to our zone. Right to our demand zone. Just about touched it. Look at that, how we came right out of there, man. I need to pull back now. The only thing I don't like about trading this time of day, damn, I could have missed a sell there, is there's not much volume, you know? Man, why does it do that, man? It's annoying. I have to open it every time. Thing like died out, huh? Yeah, it's undecided, man. I'm not gonna take a bite there. Right in the middle. Kind of silly. Especially we got a fair value gap right here. Could reject off, which it probably will. Oh, maybe it's gonna go up now. We'll see if it could violate this supply zone. If it closes above this supply zone, we'll be looking for a buy. Not in a trade, guys. I always put that there just to. Okay, it punched through. I'm gonna take it, guys. I'm in. I'm gonna take profit right here. And stops to break even. Now, see what it does. I don't like those rejection wicks. Not crazy about them, gotta say. Let's see. I like the way that candle came punched through there with, with like power, man. That's why I took the trade. That was a volume candle, man. It punched right through that supply. Okay, we need a little more juice here, though. Oh, back's getting stiff. All right, let's see what it does, guys. Coming back for the retest, I hope. See our buy signal there. Ah, come on, Naz. Let's go, baby. I gotta break out the Rocky music for this thing, man. Where are you, Rock? Oh, I can't find it. I figures. That's a bad sign. I can't even find the Rocky music. They must have took it off here. My goodness, here it is. All right. Wait for the right time. When it hits the 9, if it touches the 9, man, it's time for the Rocky music. Let's do it. Come on, Rock. Come on, Rock. Didn't work, man. All right, let's see what it does with this fair value gap. We're still right around break even. So let's see what NAS is doing. This is NAS. What am I talking about? I meant gold. Gold came up. Ba-da-ba. Am I going to get ambitious here? Put it right there. Come on, Rock. He'll knock you into tomorrow. We actually should have entered right when it came down here. I think I wanted to, but it moved too fast. You know, I wanted to get in on this retest right here, but I didn't get in time, you know. That's all right. There's a couple of pips. At the end of the day, man, if it goes up here, even the TP1, I'll be happy. Stops to break even. I'll be closing probably half right there. And then I'll let it run. I feel like this is going to go up, man. I still feel like it. I just hope NAS feels like it. What is this thing? Let's see. Oh, MACD. I'm going to close that. Get rid of it. Taking up space on my chart, man. Actually, my stop loss, I didn't set my stop loss, guys, but my stop loss actually have to be down here. I'll just manage it myself. You guys put your stop loss where you see fit. It's got to be below that candle somewhere. I'll just manage it since I'm watching. Hopefully we won't have to worry about it. Oh. Come on, man. Don't do this, bro. Pissing me off now. All right. Get your ass out of there, man. Cut it out. Stop messing around, Naz. There we go. Get out of there, man. Trying to fake us out, man. Back is stiff, guys. Mm. There we go. The candle flip. We're almost up at break even. There we go. Back in profit, guys. I think it came down to get some juice, man. Some spinach. You older guys. Popeye. You got to close above that fair value gap, man. See how it just disappeared? That means it's above it. Now it's not above it anymore. There we go. There we go. Now you're cooking with gas, baby. Hold on. No rush to get anywhere, huh? Still in profit. Rejecting off that fair value gap. I don't like this now. It just put another supply right here. Hopefully it'll blow right through that. But I mean, I guess you got to put it, right? That seems to be it's really turning into a strong support area. Or resistance, I mean. Yeah, just can't break out of this area, man. Come on, baby. There you go. Come on, push up, man. We just need a nice push. All right. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. We broke that high. See the high of that candle? Right here? We broke it, which is a good sign, man. It means we're still pushing higher. Okay, guys. Moving stops to break even, and I'm taking some profit. Oh, come on, man. Don't do this now. Oh, damn it. I don't know why this acts like this, man. Anyway, guys. Moving my stops to a couple of pips in profit. And I didn't close anything yet, guys. Let me see. If this just runs up, I'm not going to... Because we got a fair value gap here. Let's see if it rejects right off it. All right, I'm going to close. Oh, let me see. Damn, I didn't close nothing. That's what happens when you get a little greedy. All right, my stops are like 2 pips in profit. All right, so put it according to, wherever you got in. Okay, I'm going to close half, guys. Right now. Boom. Okay, this is a risk-free trade, and we are in profit. Well, I'm in profit. I'm not telling you guys what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, right? Right. So now we can just watch to see what it does, guys. If it comes up here, you might want to close full here. I don't know if it's going to go higher than here, guys, I mean, I don't even know if it's going to make it up to here, let's be honest, But this would be another place if you guys want to take profit. I'll watch it when it gets up there and decide what I'm going to do then. And it could come all the way up to the supply. I'm not saying it's going to because I don't know. But that's an obvious target. I would take it like right here at the top of one of these 2 candles. If it does just shoot up there, I'm going to close right here. I'm not going to mess around with it after that. If it wants to go through the supply, I can enter again, That's a good place right there to close, right between the 2 candle tops. And that's the trade, guys. Give me a like or something. Hook a brother up. It messed with us a little, but we got it done, man. Messed with us a little, but we got it done. That is the deal, guys. Still hanging around that. Still think it's going up, man. My back hurts, guys. Sorry, I had to lean back for a minute. I think I got to get my chair out here. Even if I'm not going to sit in my office, Maybe I need my chair for my back. All right, so that's a W, man. I'm gonna put a W in the chat. I'm the only one here. Someone's got to do it, man. Someone's got to do it. Might as well be me. We are pushing north. See if it can break the high of this candle now, the last candle. As long as it keeps taking higher levels, you know, we're making progress. That's 6 wins in a row, guys. Pretty cool. I think my record on the stream is 12 or 13. There we go. There we go, guys. Give me another push like that. I'll close the whole thing. There you go. What are you doing, Sue? Huh? All right. Now, guys, if you're in this trade, there's no reason for you to lose this trade, guys. Move your stops to break even, take some profit. I don't want to hear, oh, I lost. You know, if you lose money on this, you're the donkey of the day, my friend. I can't help you. Like my old mentor used to say, my friend Al. Well, I wouldn't call him a mentor, but I used to sit in on his classes. He used to say, man, if you're 20 pips in profit and that thing comes back and stops you off at a loss, you're the donkey of the day. I could hear it in his voice. All right, guys, everybody get ready to close if you don't have it set, the TP set. Okay, me personally, now I won't let it come back. But if it comes back below this line, I'll close. That's me personally. Okay, I'm not going to give it back. You know? So my stop loss, even though I'm going to do it manually, is basically right here now at the top of these candles where this line is. That's basically my new stop loss. I'm up and I'm staying up. You know what I mean, my friends? And I'll be back to get them again tomorrow. That's the way I roll, man. They know I'm coming. I'm coming for them. I can't wait till I'm doing this live from Southeast Asia, guys. My goodness. Come on. One more push and we're out. It's going to mess around. It's got to be dramatic, you know? Almost had it. Like that commercial. You almost had it. Oh, you gotta be a little quicker. Almost had it. All right, guys. I'm gonna close, man. That was a good trade, guys. What a nice day. Nice win for the day. We made our money. Let's not get greedy. If you guys want, now you can wait. I'm out of this trade, guys, right now. Boom. But you could wait now to see if it punches through here. And, you know, if you still want to trade, you could wait for a retest and see if it'll go up again. You know, it looks like it might do that. Hey, if any of you guys stayed in, man, God bless, man. Salute. But I'm out. I'm satisfied. Done for the day. Guys, I will see you tomorrow. Okay, stay blessed, guys. Have a great day. Thanks for stopping by, man. We whooped them again, Josie. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 1:30, all right? 1:30 New York time. Peace, guys. Thank you.